everyone, this is Irene. Today I'd like to introduce our LED module production. Our factory is covering an area of 13,000 square meters. This is the third floor. The whole floor is for the LED module assembling. We have 12 SMT machines with an output volume of 7,000 pieces LED modules per day. Now let's take a look.
Step 1. The IC will be attached to the PCB board with soldering paste by SMT machine. Then the PCB boards will be conveyed to Reflow Soldering machine for baking and dry to secure the IC and components. Step 2. The LED lamps are attached to the PCB boards by SMT machines. Again, the PCB boards are delivered to the Reflow Soldering machine for baking and securing the LED lamps. The PCB boards are underthrough many small fans for heat dissipation. Step 3. Quality check will be conducted to ensure the proper functioning of the LED light. Step 4. Then we will install the module base and apply 3-proof paint, moisture-proof, waterproof, and dust-proof. All outdoor LED modules require 3-proof painting. If some customers request indoor LED modules to be painted, it can be done as well. Finally, the PCB board needs to be flipped over to check if the painting is in place. Step 5. Fasten the screws to fix the LED modules. Step 6. Apply glue to the front surface of the module to achieve outdoor LED module waterproof. Step 7. The LED modules will be for air dry naturally for 60 meters. Then, a mask is to be installed to the surface of LED module. And finally, the finished LED modules will be secured with screws. The last step, we will do an overall quality check for the finished LED modules to make sure 100% good quality rate.
Okay, that's all for the brief introduction of our LED module assembly. If you have any inquiry, welcome to contact us.